Hi, I'm Alex, I'm 16 and I represent Pontypridd.
Hi Alex, tell us about some of your experiences and involvements.
Well, I'm currently in my community forum where I've talked and had discussions with like-minded people about community issues. Also with that, with my involvements within the community, I've been able to learn much more of an insight of other people's experiences, which really aligns my passion on women's rights.
So what makes you the right person to represent RCT as an MYP?
Well, I'm passionate, loud and sociable. I'm always there if anyone needs anything, and I think that makes me very reliable.
So what's one thing people might not know about you, Alex?
One thing people may not know about me is I'm currently in a drama club called JK's Performance Academy, where I've contributed to various shows, and that's also where I've developed a lot of my skills and abilities.
And why should young people vote for you in this MYP election?
I'm passionate, loud and confident. My drama experience really amplifies that, as I'm able to project my voice to represent all young people, and I'll bring that energy as an MYP.